Hello and welcome to True Pathfinder, your portal to health and truth. And in this video, we are going to talk about Plantagomajor, a weed you've probably seen growing everywhere that is actually an amazing healing plant with many nutritional and health benefits. So let's look at them. Plantagomajor is also known as plantain, not to be confused with the banana variety, and is one of the most common plants which grows in most continents and is usually found on meadows and on the edge of fields or roads. Originally from Europe and parts of Asia, this plant has spread all over the world, and it was spread throughout the Americas, for example, by European colonists. Since ancient times, it has been considered a panacea. It has been called the mother of all plants because of its many health benefits that we're gonna look at in this presentation. After invading the American continents, it was quickly adopted also by the native population and introduced into their traditional herbal medicine. Plantain leaves have been used by Native Americans since the beginning of the plant's appearance in America. They've been using it to heal wounds, reduce inflammation, stop heavy bleeding, soothe stings, burns and rashes, and much more. For internal use, for example, plantain was used by the Native Americans against colds, coughs, bronchitis, or in case of gastritis, diarrhea, hemorrhoids, and bladder infections. Also, the root was turned into powder and used as an antidote in the case of snake bites or to eliminate other poisonous toxins from the body. For medicinal use, the leaves, the roots, stems, flowers and seeds, so almost the whole plant, can be used because all of the parts of the plant contain a lot of antioxidants and other beneficial ingredients. What are those beneficial ingredients, you ask? Well, plantain leaves have a high content of vitamin A and vitamin C, which stimulate immunity, as well as tannin, which has astringent properties that reduce inflammation and fights infections. Among the other active constituents of the plantain leaf are also iridoid glycosides such as curcumin and catalpol, mucilage and flavonoids such as epigenin and luteolin, tannins, oleanilic acid, vegetable acids, silicic acid, minerals such as zinc, potassium and iron, phenylethanoids such as actioside, chlorogenic acid, and also vitamin K, in addition to the vitamin A and C that I've mentioned already. Plantain leaf mucilage includes polysaccharides that contain rhamnose, L-arabinose, mannose, galactose, and dextrose. And one of the lesser known active ingredients of plantain is the compound called plantagomajor, which has a similar molecular structure to the active ingredient in echinacea that is called echinacoside, proving to have a similar action in modulating your immune response. Okay then, let's go through the most important scientifically proven health as well as nutritional benefits of Plantagomajor. But before we do that, short reminder, if you enjoy our content, please support us directly by becoming a patron from as little as $5 per month. Link is in the description box below for you. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe if you're not already, and comment to help the channel grow and spread the truth. For the holistic care you need and deserve, please do not hesitate to contact us at christine.doctor and we will take care of you remotely. and check out some of the most powerful holistic health tools available on the market today at vibrantbody.net. Links are of course also provided in the description box below. Alright then, let's look at the health benefits, starting with your respiratory tract, because plantain offers a multitude of benefits in support of your body's health, especially with regard to respiratory ailments. One of the most common traditional uses of this plant is to support lung health. You can also use plantain to treat infections such as bronchitis, chronic bronchitis, tonsillitis, the common cold, and sinusitis. Plantain leaves are rich in mucilage, as we've discussed, which exerts a protective activity on your airways, covering them with a protective layer that reduces the irritation that causes a dry cough. Also, thanks to the fact that it contains glycerin and pectin, the plant exerts a beneficial and calming effect on your lungs, favoring the production of a mucus that helps relieve discomfort and irritation. Plantain is also used in case of coughing and irritation caused by respiratory tract infections. Several studies state that this plant has properties that help to relieve irritation in the lungs, and at the same time it also supports the immune system by eliminating the infection. It's also great for your skin health and for healing wounds. In Humbert Santillo's Natural Healing with Herbs, plantain is called the Band-Aid plant due to its beneficial effects on skin health. Applied topically, plantain has the power to stop bleeding and heal bruises, including puncture wounds, insect bites, bee, wasp, and nettle stings. In the case of treating cuts and other open wounds, plantain has a number of other benefits. For example, it prevents infection by removing dirt and also disinfects the wound because it has antiseptic capabilities. Among the plant's benefits is its ability to also soothe the skin thanks to a compound it contains known as allantoin. Thus, plantain can be used to provide natural skin relief in case of sunburn, to treat acne and rosacea, and to keep your skin overall healthy, glowing, and get rid of imperfections. A rare feature which differentiates the plantain leaf from most other healing plants with an effect on your skin is its intense ability to extract venom or other toxic substances that result from snake bites or insect bites or bee or wasp stings, and also stings of nettle. You can chew or crush the leaves and apply them directly to the skin and use as a band-aid to keep it in place. After it dries, you rinse the area with cool water, and this also helps bring splinters to the surface for removal and neutralizes bug bites and poison ivy, all things that we may come across in our gardens, as you know. It supports wound healing by reducing inflammation, blocking microbial growth, and relieving pain. In fact, a study with 40 people found that applying a gel containing aloe vera and plantain weed helped heal food ulcers as well. In another animal study, aloe vera and plantain weed improved wound healing and enhanced tissue repair when applied topically. And in yet another study, applying only plantain weed extract to wounds helped increase the rate of healing compared to the control group. When it comes to your digestive system, several compounds in plantain, seeds and leaves have been shown to alleviate certain digestive issues. Plantain's beneficial effects on your digestive health come thanks to the high mucilage content of the leaves, together with their anti-inflammatory properties. Herbs rich in mucilage absorb toxins from the intestine and give volume to the stools, thus contributing to reducing the time required for intestinal transit. Plantagomajor also has astringent properties which provide support in the treatment of diarrhea, gastritis, and colitis. Additionally, it can help to restore gastric balance and treat inflammations in your stomach and intestine. The tannins in the composition offers also a series of benefits. They help to close the wound in case of ulcer and to create a protective layer. A rat study confirmed that narrow-leaf plantain extract promoted the healing of stomach ulcers. In turn, the iridoids and flavonoids in the plantain confer strong antispasmodic qualities and can relieve abdominal cramps and stomach pains by relaxing the smooth muscles in your stomach. The seeds of plantain also contain psyllium, which is a type of fiber often used as a natural laxative, since it absorbs water as it moves through your digestive tract. According to a review, plantain leaves may also slow the movement of your digestive tract, which may promote bowel regularity and help treat diarrhea. Additionally, some animal studies suggest that plantain wheat's anti-inflammatory properties may also aid digestive issues like inflammatory bowel disease, which can cause symptoms like stomach pain, bloating, and diarrhea. COMS highlights plantain's diuretic properties, meaning it moves excess fluid out of your system. In her book, The Top 100 Herbal Remedies, Annie McIntyre points to the plant's ability to act as a mild blood cleanser, reducing toxin-based health issues, and studies have confirmed it is indeed a very strong antioxidant and a free radical scavenger. You can use plantain to help protect the health and function of your liver as well. The anti-inflammatory compounds in Plantagomajor have many protective benefits for your liver, as the studies have shown. Lab tests, for example, have found that administering plantain extracts has many benefits as a liver tonic, and other studies involving rats found that plantain extracts protect the liver from injury caused by painkillers. And come to speak of your liver, an important function of your liver is to produce and clear cholesterol in the body. Studies on animal subjects have suggested that extracts from the plantain plant may also have a cholesterol-lowering effect. Plantain leaf and plantain seed extracts help to bring down cholesterol levels. And there is still more that plantain can do for your health. As you know, while low levels of inflammation are part of your body's healthy response to injury, chronic inflammation can lead to various illnesses. And studies have shown plantain can help reduce inflammation. In particular, the leaves contain several anti-inflammatory compounds including flavonoids, terpenoids, glycosides, and tannins. A rat study found that administering plantain wheat extract decreased several markers of inflammation caused by liver injury. Another animal study observed similar findings, reporting that plantain wheat extract significantly decreased inflammation and reduced liver enzymes to protect against liver damage. On top of that, test tube studies suggest that plantain seeds may decrease also several markers of inflammation, as well as the slow down the growth of certain cancer cells. Various studies have also shown that plantain compounds have immune strengthening properties to fight infections. For example, plantain leaf extract can help boost the number of your white blood cells. Studies have also shown that it acts as an antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antiviral agent too. Laboratory experiments have shown that plantain extracts can help get rid of parasites. And one test in the lab showed as well that plantain extracts have antiparasitic activity against the Giardia parasite. Plantain extracts have been used in traditional medicine for treating parasite infections for centuries, by the way, so it's great to see that modern science has proven that this is indeed the case. On top of its many health benefits, plantain has also nutritional benefits because it is edible. According to herbalists and authors Combs and McIntyre, it's a good source of bioavailable zinc, calcium and beta-carotene. You can eat plantain either raw or cooked, and you can use it either dried or fresh. Plantain leaves taste similar to spinach or asparagus, but with a slightly more bitter taste. Young plantain leaves are said to be the tastiest, whereas the broader and older plantain leaves taste more bitter and have a more fibrous texture. In the spring, when the leaves are more tender, they can be used in salads and shredded as a healthy garnish for any type of dish. When added to smoothies, they provide chlorophyll, which nutritionist Paul Pitchford points to for increased purification, renewal and anti-inflammatory support. And later in the year, you may prefer to cook the tougher leaves. They can be added to stir fries or wilted as a side dish. Remember to harvest and dry the leaves throughout the summer for winter use, when they can be crumbled into bone broth or soups, for example. Is plantain safe to use, and how can you use it? Well, fresh plantain can be eaten safely with minimal risk of adverse effects. With supplements, you must be a little bit more careful. They may cause some mild side effects, including digestive issues. You can find plantain in capsule, tincture and tea form at numerous health stores and pharmacies. Be sure to start with a low dosage and increase your intake slowly, and of course use it only as directed on the package to minimize any potential side effects. The standard dosage for infusions or teas is around 5 ounces or 150 milliliters, and you drink the tea 3 to 4 times per day. In powdered form, the typical dosage ranges from 3 to 5 grams per day. If you are able to find the plantain weeds in your yard, you can, as mentioned, enjoy the leaves in a variety of dishes without any fear. If you harvest plantain from your yard, try to avoid plants that have been treated with pesticides though. Also the same goes for the ones that are growing near a road and are located in areas that are frequented by pets. For topical use, try drying the leaves and infusing them into your choice of oil such as coconut, sunflower, olive or almond oil. Dried plantain can also be added to natural skincare products, including lip balms, lotions and ointments. So, as you've seen in this presentation, despite being considered a weed, the common garden plantain is in fact an amazing medicinal plant with many health and nutritional benefits, and therefore highly recommended. With all that being said, I hope that you've enjoyed this presentation. If you did so, please support us directly by becoming a patron from as little as $5 per month. Link in the description box below. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to help this channel grow and spread the truth. For the natural, holistic care you need and deserve, please contact us at christine.doctor and we will take care of you remotely. And check out some of the most powerful holistic health tools available on the market today at vibrantbody.net. Links are also in the description box below, of course. Thank you very much for your attention, and until next time, stay healthy.